Understanding the meaning of unfocused. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: the meaning of the word unfocused. It's a word that you might come across in various contexts, and it's important to understand what it means and how to use it correctly. So, let's dive in and explore this term together. Unfocused is an adjective, and it is made up of two parts: the prefix un and the word focused. The prefix un is used to give the opposite meaning of the word it is attached to. Focused, on the other hand, means having clear vision or being concentrated on something. So, when we put them together, unfocused means not having clear vision or not concentrated. 2.1 In terms of vision, when used to describe someone's vision, unfocused means that the person is not able to see clearly. For example, after staring at the computer screen for hours, her eyes were unfocused. 2.2 In terms of attention, unfocused can also be used to talk about someone's attention or concentration. Here, it means not being concentrated or distracted. For example, he was unfocused during the meeting and missed important details. 2.3 In terms of work or tasks. Additionally, unfocused can describe the way someone is approaching their work or tasks. In this context, it means not having a clear goal or plan. For example, his unfocused approach to the project resulted in a lot of wasted time. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can also help in grasping the meaning of unfocused. 3.1 Synonyms. Some synonyms of unfocused include distracted, scatterbrained, disoriented. 3.2 Antonyms. Some antonyms, or opposites, of unfocused include focused, concentrated, alert. And that's it for today's lesson on the word unfocused. We've looked at what it means, how to use it in different contexts, and some synonyms and antonyms. I hope this video has been informative and helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Have a great day, and stay focused.